What's going on, guys? Jada Black here. Salute to everyone that's tuning in. I want to talk about Amber Heard, man. Amber Heard does not want to pay Johnny Depp the money, the millions that she owes him for her ridiculous lies that have caught up to her. And apparently, she was recently seen in a TJ Maxx store bargain shopping. And people are they're making fun of her, man. They're saying, either this is for show or she's really struggling. Now, I saw something where apparently she's leasing a place that's about, I believe, $20,000 a month. I'm not sure if the number is accurate, but right around that amount. I don't know if she's still living in that particular place. But she's made money. She has money, but not enough to pay Johnny. You know why? Because she did not think that she would get to this point. I don't think that Amber ever thought that she would lose. You see, a lot of women of today have been spoiled with the disrespect and the mistreatment of a lot of men. And because men have been mistreated and disrespected in our society, women have found it to be easier and easier to make up things or to use their femininity in order to get one over on men and either usurp a man's position for themselves or siphon money from men or try to do what she did to destroy Johnny Depp's reputation. We all know of situations where you have women who will file police reports on boyfriends or husbands that they claim did things to them, but in reality that never happened. She'll call the police on them. Of course, the police is going to believe her, not him. And she thought the same thing. Well, she found that out the hard way because Johnny Depp did not just go away. He did not apologize. He fought for his reputation because at the end of the day, all you have is your reputation. So let's get into this article from Showbiz. The Aquaman actress is spotted shopping at bargain department store TJ Maxx in New York after she says that she can't afford to pay her former husband in damages following her trial loss. Amber Heard is looking through the clearance racks. The Aquaman actress was spotted bargain shopping with her sister Whitney after publicly confessing she can't pay Johnny Depp the $8.3 million in damages following her defamation trial loss because she didn't think she was going to lose. Now, I honestly think that this is a plant. I think that she did this on purpose. She's trying to make it seem like she's broke. And what place does she go? She goes to TJ Maxx. Even though, I know of a TJ Maxx. I have a TJ Maxx where I'm at. Maybe y'all do as well. Maybe she shopped there before. I think that this is just a ploy to make it seem like she's broke. In reality, she needs to get on a payment plan immediately and start paying him his money. In photos and videos obtained by TMZ on Sunday, June 19th, the 36-year-old actress and her sister were seen with a cart filled with various articles of clothing. In the footage, the sisters could be heard talking about white linen pants. For the outing, Amber donned a white button-down top, jeans, and black loafers. The actress had her blonde hair up in a bun and wore minimal makeup. In the meantime, her sister Whitney wore a tan blazer over a graphic tee. This is them here. What I want to know is who's recording the video. Is it somebody that was just casually shopping? Was it her sister? Well, that's the video there. Amber and Whitney's outing came just weeks after Amber's lawyers publicly stated that she can't pay the $8.3 million awarded to Johnny at the end of the trial, which lasted for a month throughout May. Her legal team has declared that they are going to appeal the jury's decision. Good luck with that. Most recently, Amber told Savannah Guthrie during an interview with Today that she has years worth of notes to prove Johnny's abuse. So why didn't you use them in court? Why didn't you take those notes and use them in court? Why did you wait till after court to want to bring up, the years worth of notes? Yeah. There's a binder worth of years of notes dating back to 2011 from the very beginning of my relationship that were taken by my doctor who I was reporting the abuse to. Her notes represented years of real-time explanations of what is going on. I mean, how delusional do you have to be? This is a very delusional woman. You have all these notes, but what do you do with them? You just keep them to yourself? Did you have them put up somewhere? Were they in storage? Why didn't you use them for the trial? When you knew you were losing, you should have gave them to your lawyers. Why didn't you do that? Is this another lie that you're making up? All of a sudden now you got these notes. All of a sudden you have all this information that you could provide to the courts and you don't do it. Why is that? What was you waiting on? Did your lawyers tell you to hold off on it? Or maybe you thought they weren't going to help you at all. This trial lasted for weeks. You could have used that if you felt like it would have helped you. But it didn't. And now you got all these excuses. One excuse is that, well, I have more evidence I'm going to present in the appeal. The other is that, well, I can't pay him. During the interview, Amber said that she told her therapist in January 2012 that the Black Mass star had hit her, threw her on the floor, and in 2013, note stated Johnny had thrown her against the wall and threatened to end her. The Danish Girl actress also insisted she never intended to hurt anyone with her 2018 Washington Post op-ed, which never mentioned Johnny by name. She said the op-ed wasn't about my relationship with Johnny. What the op-ed was about was me loaning my voice to the bigger cultural conversation that we were having at the time. Yeah, right. You did it. And listen, clearly the op-ed destroyed this man's career. That's why you got sued. You got sued because what you put out there ruined this man's reputation and his career. And he lost a lot of money and a lot of opportunities because of that op-ed. The people in Hollywood that read it thought that you were talking about him, and you had no problem going along with it. You didn't put out any statements and say, hey, I'm not talking about him. You just went along with it. You just went along with it. Now, if she did, y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, but I didn't see her defending Johnny Depp, saying that she didn't write that about him. But according to her, she went through all this abuse with him. Then she gets out of the marriage and then she writes this op-ed, and we're supposed to believe that it's not about Johnny Depp. After a 6-week trial, Johnny was awarded $10 million in compensatory damages, $5 million in punitive damages, which the judge lowered to $350,000 because of the cap in the state of Georgia, the state of Virginia, while Amber was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages for her countersuit. Why she got that, I have no idea. Listen, you talk about self-damage. Amber Heard did a lot of damage to herself. And we're where we're at because of her. And I'm pretty sure she's had rough relationships before, but she hadn't really spoken about it. This was all about trying to hurt his reputation, because as soon as she put that out, his reputation is ruined. It's over for him in Hollywood at that point. And Johnny Depp had no choice but to fight back. And she should have understood that he was trying to protect his reputation. And instead of her saying, you know what, we had a toxic relationship, but I don't want to see him ruined, you go along with it because your career is moving forward. And you didn't care about Johnny Depp. You just cared about yourself. So let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Like this video and share it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I'll see y'all next one.